Can you communicate effectively in writing within a business context? This video explores key methods and strategies for written communication in organizations. Discover how to enhance your skills and apply them to organizational needs. This unit aims to develop your understanding of communication practices in organizations. You'll learn about different modes and channels of communication. The focus is on enhancing your communication skills. You'll also apply these skills to meet organizational requirements. Effective communication is key to success in any business setting. Emails are essential for quick, direct communication. They are used for updates, queries, and formal communication. Key considerations include clear subject lines and concise content. Maintain a professional tone and proper formatting. Emails should be both informative and easy to read. Reports present detailed data, analysis, and findings. Use a structured format with headings and subheadings. Include data and visuals to support your analysis. Ensure the content is well organized and logically presented. Reports are crucial for decision-making processes. Memos serve as internal communication tools. They inform or remind staff about policies, events, or updates. Keep memos brief and to the point. A clear purpose should be stated at the beginning. Use a professional tone to maintain clarity and effectiveness. Letters are used for formal communication like notices or agreements. Use a proper salutation and closing. The language should be formal, clear, and concise. Ensure the letter is error-free and professionally formatted. Letters convey professionalism and respect. Proposals suggest projects, initiatives, or solutions. Clearly state objectives and benefits. Use a structured format with an introduction, body, and conclusion. Support arguments with data and persuasive language. Proposals aim to convince and gain approval. Minutes capture key points and decisions from meetings. Ensure accuracy and conciseness. Use a chronological order and clearly identify speakers. Minutes are essential for accountability. They provide a record of actions and decisions. Newsletters provide updates on organizational news and achievements. Make the content engaging with text and visuals. Ensure a clear structure and consistent formatting. Use a friendly yet professional tone. Newsletters keep everyone informed and engaged. Social media posts inform and interact with a wider audience. Keep content concise and engaging. Use an appropriate tone for the platform and audience. Incorporate hashtags and multimedia. Social media is key for modern communication. Blogs provide informative and conversational content. Use a clear and engaging writing style. Break content into sections with headings. Optimize for SEO and encourage interaction. Blogs are great for sharing insights and expertise. Technical documents provide detailed instructions or guides. Use clear and precise language. Include step-by-step instructions with diagrams. Ensure the document is logically structured. Technical documentation is essential for user guidance. Press releases announce important events to the media. Ensure the content is clear and concise. Use a professional tone and standard format. Highlight key points and ensure accuracy. Press releases generate media interest and coverage. Communicating complex information requires clarity and precision. Select the appropriate format and tailor content to the audience. Use conventions and focus on the purpose. Different methods suit different needs. Effective communication ensures understanding. Formal reports have a structured format. Include a title page, contents, and executive summary. Use formal language and avoid contractions. Present findings and recommendations clearly. Formal reports support informed decision-making. Informal reports are less rigid in structure. They can be in memo or email format. Use a conversational tone while staying professional. Language can be more direct and personal. Informal reports are suitable for internal updates. Emails should have a clear subject line. Begin with a salutation and end with a closing. The body should be concise and to the point. Use appropriate greetings and sign-offs. Emails are a versatile communication tool. Letters have a formal structure. Include sender and recipient addresses. Start with a salutation and end with a signature. Maintain a formal or semi-formal tone. Letters convey respect and professionalism. Texts should be brief and to the point. Use an informal yet respectful tone. Abbreviations and emojis should be used sparingly. Ensure clarity in the message. Texts are suitable for quick communication. Technology enhances communication, but can also pose challenges. It improves clarity and reinforces messages. However, over-reliance can cause disruptions. Balance is key to effective communication. Technology should support, not hinder, communication. Adapt communication for different audiences and purposes. Focus on clarity and relevant material. Choose the appropriate channel and adjust tone. Tailor messages to the audience's needs. Effective adaptation enhances understanding and engagement. In conclusion, being able to communicate effectively in writing is essential for clarity, professionalism, and successful business operations. Written communication, whether emails, reports, proposals, or marketing materials, must be clear, concise, accurate, and well-structured to convey messages effectively. By developing strong writing skills, individuals can ensure their ideas are understood, reduce misunderstandings, and present information in a persuasive and professional manner. Mastering written communication enhances credibility, supports decision-making, and contributes significantly to organizational success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 074843 61688.